अंत भी मैं, आरंभ मैं।
वंदे वाञ्छितलाभाय चन्द्रधूत शेखरम् वृषारूढात्शूलधरम् शैलपुत्री यशस्विनी. Shailputri, known as Partipada, this day is associated with Shailputri, the daughter of mountain, an incarnation of Parvati. It is in form of Durga worship as the wife of Shiva. She depicts as the right bull Nandi with Trishul in her right hand and lotus in her left hand. Shailputri is considered to be direct incarnation of Mahakali. In the color of the day is grey, which depicts the action and vigor. She also considered to be reincarnation of Sati and also known as Hemavati. Amba Mata ki jai.
Considered a harbinger of good luck. Let's see some few glimpses of Rangoli Bus Standard film.
standard 5th. Flowers may be one of nature's oldest and simplest forms of decoration for any happy event. Their delicacy and purity for use in prayers and offerings are well known. They also help remove harmful toxins from the air, improve our moods, and maintain a relaxed atmosphere.
Every occasion is incomplete without the Aarti Thali, as it is a sign of positivity. So let's see some beautiful thali art by standard first. Puja plate is a tray or large container on which the entire puja materials are accumulated and decorated. In Hindu religious occasions, festivals, traditions and rituals, puja thali maintains an auspicious role.
Dandiya decoration. With Navratri in full swing, the Dandiya sticks are the star of any Dandiya night. To make you grab eyeballs while perfecting your step, make your Dandiya stand out from the rest. Now we will see a creative Dandiya decoration by standard first. Thank you.
Myself Ayushi Nilesh Pachpande from Standard 6th. Now let's see some beautiful decoration of Garba pot by Standard 3. Often missed earthen pots can be one of the most underrated decorative items during festivals. However, during the Navratri season, Garba pots, earthen pots with holes, are an indispensable part of the festival as it symbolizes nascent life, unity and love, and is worshipped for the 9 days of the festival. It is typically put in the heart of the communal gathering where colorfully garbed men, women and children sing and dance around it. Thank you. Today I am going to tell speech on Goddess Brahmachariti. On the second day of Navratri, Goddess Brahmachariti is worshipped with puja rituals. Brahmachariti appears in the form of medieval girl filled with wisdoms. She has 2 hands carrying groceries and kalamen. She blesses devotee with excellent knowledge and bliss, instill a great degree of self-confidence in people. Thank you.
Hello to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself Mukti Himanshu Gala from 6th B. Mask or mukut, which are the part of decoration from ancient times, which reflects the mythological stories behind it. So let's see some decor of Devi Ma by standard 2nd mask making.
तारा विना श्याम ने एक लड़ू लागे, रासे रंगवाने दो आवगे। तारा विना श्याम एक लड़ू लागे।
Kalima, goddess, a divine mother, a dark mother, a terrible mother. She is the Hindu goddess of time, creation, preservation, and destruction. As fearsome as she may appear, she is the most compassionate goddess of them all. She rides a lion and also wear a garland which is of waved skull and a skirt of dismembered arm and nothing at all. Her dark, messy hair flows freely, and her eyes are red with intoxication and rage. Her red tongue sticks out under sharp white fangs, and it shines against dark black skin. Her many hands carried a sword, a trident, a seaweed head dripping with fresh blood, and a kapala or skull bowl catching the fresh blood. Presenting before you a Kali Mata dance of standard fifth.
ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दित मेधिनि विश्व विनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवर विन्ध्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कील्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते।
Good afternoon, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Atharva Manir Kulkarni. Is going to talk few lines about ornament decoration. Ornament visualize the beauty of Devi Durga Ma. So let's see the beautiful design of ornament made by Standard 4. Ornament is decoration or embellishment. It is any additional detail added to an object, interior or architectural structure which serves no other purpose than to make it more interesting, arresting, too beautiful to us. Thank you.
दुर्गे दुर्घट भारी तुझ विण संसारी, अनाथ नाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी। वारी वारी जन्म मरणा ते वारी, हारी पडलो आता संकट निवारी।
दुर्गे दुर्घट भारी तुझ विण संसारी, अनाथ नाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी। वारी वारी जन्म मरणाते वारी, हारी पडलो आता संकट निवारी। संकट निवारी, संकट निवारी। जय देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी, सुरवरेश्वरवर्दी कारक संजीवनी। जय देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी, सुरवरेश्वरवर्दी कारक संजीवनी।
Ma Chandraghanta. When Ma Parvati got married to Lord Shiva, she adorned a half moon shaped like a bell on her forehead, worshipping Ma Chandraghanta. Ma Chandraghanta gives bravery and distresses and sufferings come to an end. Ma Chandraghanta is the married form of Ma Durga. She is seen carrying 10 weapons in her arms and stays ready for war with the demons and evil forces. The compassionate goddess can come to the help of her devotees anytime and remove their afflictions in a second. The sound of her moonwind destroyed a lot of demons, on the way clearing the path for the devotees and to lead a happy and peaceful life. It is believed that the planet Shukra is governed by goddess Chandraghanta. Therefore, Ma Chandraghanta will give all the pleasures of the world and make people comfortable in their lives. Blessed by Ma Chandraghanta, you will find all the wealth and luxurious prosperities coming your way, and a life is awaiting for you. You will never be short of food at home. Jasmine is the favorite flower of Ma Chandraghanta. On the third day of Navratri, do the puja with jasmine flowers and please Ma Chandraghanta with your devotion and meditation. Do the 16 types of offerings and conclude the puja with Aarti, praying to the goddess to shower her infinite blessings for the welfare of your family. The puja of Ma Chandraghanta removes all fears from the individual's heart and instills hope and faith. Thank you and happy Navratri.
Devi Stotra is dedicated to Devi Durga. Regular chanting of this stotra brings harmony, prosperity and calms and soothes your mind and soul. Reciting of Devi Stotra purifies your soul and helps you get off mental stress and anxiety. It also calms and soothes your mind and helps you to live a prosperous life. Let's see the recitation of Durga Stotra by Standard 6.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Shri Durga Stotram. Sanjay Uvacha. Dhatarashtrabalam drushta yuddhaya samupasthitam. Arjunasya hitarthaya Krishno vachanam bravite. Shri Bhagwan Uvacha. Suchir bhutva mahabaho sangrama bhimuke sthita. Parajayaya shatruna Durga Stotra mudiraya. Sanjay Uvacha. Eva mukto juna sanke vasudevena dhimata. Avatirya radat pata stotra mahakrutanjali. Arjunu Vacha. Namaste Siddhasenani Arye Mandarvasini Kumari Kali Kapali Kapile Krishna Pingale. Bhadrakali Namostubhyam Mahakali Namostu Te Chandi Chande Namostubhyam Tarini Varavarnine. Namaste Saranye Shive Sanukamme. Namaste Jagavayapike Vishnarupe. Namaste Jagatnandapada Navinde. Namaste Jagat Pavari Dani Durge. Namaste Jagat Nindavaran Sarupe. Namaste Mahayogini Dani Dupe. Namaste Namaste Sarananda Rupe. Namaste Jagat Narani Dani Durge. Anadasya Vidasya Tastadurasya Navradasya Dhidasya Jantasya Janto Daneka Gatain Devi Nistarakati. Namaste Nankatnarani Tvare Durge. Aranye Rane Darune Syatuvante. Anade Sagare Patare Jajaghe. Aneka Gajaya Devi. Navratri is around the corner, and along with fun, tradition and festival, it's time for Garba and Dandiya nights. Even though the whole festival of Navratri nights and Dandiya nights are attractive, perfect outfit will enhance the Navratri nights charms. Navratri traditional dresses are synonym with colorful lehenga choli, chenya choli and ghagra choli dresses. The kediyu is a garment worn by men are very attractive and in fashion during Navratri. Let's have a glance on this tradition get up by my friends.
हमारी रूम तुम करती आवी, हमारी रूम तुम करती आवी, आनंद उत्सव ने गरबानी रमजत साथे लावी, हमारी रूम तुम करती आवी, हमारी रूम तुम करती आवी, झांझर ने झणकारे मारी सखियों साथे लावी,
मोती बेराणा चौक मा आव्या अंबे मा, चौक मा जगमग थाय रे आव्या अंबे मा.
Garba is a folk dance celebrated in Navratri, a celebration lasting 9 nights, which Garba songs typically revolves around the subjects of 9 goddesses. Garba is a dance from originated in Gujarat performed during Navratri, a 9-day festival of goddess Durga. It is also known as Garbi, Garba or Garbhadeep. Coming up next, fantastic group dance performance by Standard 6 and Standard 7.
मौसम मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ, मौसम जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा, तो भूलूं मैं सारा
You're in the mix with DJ Dave.
गाला तारा तबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग दे तुझे तारी बात गाला तारा तबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग दे तुझे तारी बात सुन ले छोरिया झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे हमारी यार तारी कमरिया कमरिया तारी कमरिया समेरा 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 नाम समेरा 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 नाम समेरा 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 नाम समेरा 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 नाम समेरा.
Happy Navratri to all. My name is Daraja Arunkarve. I am from 4th standard. The 10th day of Navratri is celebrated as Dashera. Dashera is a festival celebrated all over India with great pomp, enthusiasm and love. It falls 2 or 3 weeks before Diwali. Dashera is also known as Vijayadashmi. In some religions of India, in words, these festivals signifies the victory of power. Good one wills, according to Hindu mythology, on this day, goddess Durga removed the demon called Mahishasur from earth, whereas in tradition, it is believed that Lord Rama fought and eliminated the demon. King Ravan is on these every day. Hence, we can say both the events signifies light over dark and truth over guilt and good over sin. So now let's have a look at that same artist drawing on Dussehra festival followed by short story. Thank you.
ರಾಮ ನಾಮ ಹಾಡಿರೋ ರಾಮ ಬರುವನು, ಅವನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹನುಮನು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುವನು. ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಿ ವಿಶ್ವವ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರನು, ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾದರಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನು.
This is the story of Treta Yuga. For some reason, Dashratha, the king of Ayodhya, had to send his son Sri Ram for a 14 years of exile. Ram, I am sending you for a 14 years of exile.
As you see, dear father,
I will sooner leave for the exile. But his wife Sita couldn't have lived alone without her husband. And that's why she said to Dashratha,
Dear father, when my husband himself won't be here, what will I do all alone in this palace? Please permit me as well to go along with him.
And then Lakshmana too said, Father, allow me as well to go, along with brother Ram, because without Ram, Lakshmana is nothing. Hearing to the request of Sita and Lakshmana, King Dashratha said, This time is taking my Ram away from me. But I won't be able to separate you from your dear brother. That's why I allow you to go along with my dear Ram. After a few days, with King Dashratha's permission, Ram, Sita, Lakshman went to the forest for an exile. They three built a hut and started living there. Everything was going fine. But one day, a female demon by name Surpanakha was passing by the same forest. She saw Ram and Lakshman and started to think,
These two men are really handsome. Looks like they are strong too. I shall surely marry one of them.
With the same plan in mind, she converted herself into a beautiful lady. And then she went towards Ram and Lakshmana. First, she went to Ram and said,
I am impressed with your handsome physique and I want to marry you.
I am sorry, I am already married and my dear wife is with me. You can take your marriage proposal to my brother Lakshmana, who is there. He is all alone in this forest. After hearing Ram's refusal, Surpanakha felt very bad. But then she saw Lakshmana and started to think,
This gentleman has refused my proposal, but that's okay. His brother too looks exactly like him. I shall marry Lakshmana.
Thinking so, she went to Lakshmana.
Hey, good-looking gentleman. I'm impressed with your handsome physique and I want to marry you.
I am already married. That's why I can't marry you.
But in this jungle, you're all alone and you should not refuse a proposal from such a beautiful lady.
But I don't want to marry you.
Why? Am I not beautiful enough for you? Looking at this beauty, even Devraj Indra would fall for it. Why aren't you impressed?
Listening to these luring talks of Surpanakha, Lakshmana lost his control and then he cut off Surpanakha's nose and ears. As soon as ear and nose got cut, Surpanakha came back to her demon form. Ram and Lakshmana saw Surpanakha's demon form and got stunned. Brother, she is a demon. I shall kill her right away. No, Lakshmana, let her go. Surpanakha left that place all in tears, and straight she went to the king of Lanka, Ravana. At that time, Ravana, along with his courtiers, was sitting in the palace.
Brother Ravana, see what has happened to your sister Surpanakha.
Surpanakha, who has done this to you? You just tell me his name now. I shall kill him right away.
Brother, in the forest there is Ram and Lakshman. One of them has cut my nose and ears.
You stay here. I shall cut his head off and bring it to you.
No, brother. They have insulted a woman. Even you have to take the revenge in the same way.
What do you mean?
What I mean is, along with those two brothers, there is a beautiful woman too. You go and kidnap Sita. Once Sita is kidnapped, Ram can be considered dead.
Ravana agreed to what Surpanakha said. He went to a magical demon, Marich. Marich, I need your help now.
I am at your service, my lord.
I want to kidnap Ram's wife, Sita. And that is why I need your help.
But I have heard Ram is very brave. If he comes to know that I have helped you in kidnapping Sita, then he would definitely kill me.
And if you refuse to help me now, I shall kill you right here, right now. Marich understood that he is left with no other option, and that he has to listen to Ravana. They both reached to the forest, and as per Ravana's plan, Marich transformed himself into a golden deer, and then he started roaming around Ram's hut. Very soon, Sita saw the golden deer.
Dear, I need that golden deer.
Sure. Let me catch the deer for you right away. Saying so, Ram, along with the bow and arrows, started to walk towards the golden deer. He kept chasing the golden deer, but couldn't catch it. Finally, Ram took the decision to kill the deer. He took the bow and arrow and aimed the arrow straight at the deer. The arrow hit the deer, and as soon as the arrow hit the deer, he transformed back into the demon form. He then started to scream in Ram's voice.
Sita! Lakshman!
Lakshman, I feel your brother is in some trouble. Please go now.
Lakshman knew it was demon's trick, but he couldn't say no to Sita at any cost. That's why he drew a Lakshman Rekha outside the hut using one of his arrows and said to Sita, whatever be the case, please never step out of this Lakshman Rekha. And then he started walking towards the direction of the voice. As soon as Lakshman was gone, Ravana came over there and then disguised himself into a holy man.
Give me arms. Give me arms.
Oh, holy man, take these arms.
To collect his arms, Ravana put his step forward, but that's when he noticed Lakshman Rekha. He stopped himself.
If you want to give me arms, come out. Then this sacred man, without collecting his arms, would leave your doorstep.
Sita was obliged not to let go any holy man empty-handed. That's why she stepped out of the Lakshman Rekha. But as soon as she did that, Ravana caught her. He came back to his original form.
I am no sacred man. I am the king of Lanka, Ravana.
And then Ravana kidnapped Sita and took her to Lanka. And when Ram and Lakshmana came to know about Sita's kidnapping, they started to look out for her. While searching for Sita, they made friendship with great warriors like Hanuman, Sugriv, Jamwant, Vibhishan, and many more great people. And when he came to know that Ravana has kidnapped Sita and taken her to Lanka, and then he declared a war along with the army of monkeys. First Ram killed Kumbhakarna. And then Lakshmana killed Meghnad. And finally, the war began between Rama and Ravana. Ravana was full of magic. He was fighting the war against Rama using all his magical powers. Rama's arrows were causing no harm to the Ravana. Rama tried cutting Ravana's head off his body. But within no time, another head would appear on Ravana's body. How do we kill Ravana? That's when Vibhishan came there. And then he said to Rama, Lord, hit at Ravana's navel. That's how Ravana can be killed. Rama understood everything. He immediately loaded the bow with an arrow and shot the arrow towards Ravana. The arrow hit Ravana's navel and then he fell down towards the ground. That is how Rama killed Ravana and took back his beloved Sita.